Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet this beautiful crochet earrings which looks like a fan. If you want a free written pattern of this beautiful earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. To make these earrings, we'll need crochet thread. This is size 8 crochet thread. You can buy them from Etsy or Amazon, and I'm going to use 1.25 millimeter crochet hook for working these earrings. And we'll need scissors and fish hooks or earring hooks. For round 1, we're going to work a magic ring, and then I'm going to work a chain 3. So this chain 3 is considered as my first double crochet. And then I'm going to work 11 more double crochets around the magic ring. So once we are done with this round 1, we are not going to work a slip stitch on top of your starting double crochet, which is the chain 3. Instead, we just tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. We do not join the last double crochet on the first double crochet. Just work 12 double crochets around the magic ring and tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. Then we'll proceed with round 2. You can see that I have not joined my last double crochet on the first double crochet. I'm going to start working my round 2 right away. I'm going to work a chain 3 and turn my work, and then I add one more chain for the chain 1 space. This chain 3 is considered as my first double crochet, and the chain 1 is considered as the chain 1 space. And then I go ahead, work 1 double crochet on the next double crochet of the previous row, and then I work a chain 1. So on each stitch or each double crochet of the previous row, I'm going to work a double crochet followed by a chain 1. And you are going to work your last double crochet on top of the chain 3 of round 1, which is our first double crochet of the round 1. So at the end of this round, we should have 12 double crochet stitches with in between chain 1 spaces. For round 3, you can see that we have like chain 1 spaces. So we are going to work our round 3 in those chain 1 spaces. First I'm going to work a chain 3, which is considered as my first double crochet, and then I'm going to turn my work, and then I'm going to work double crochet 3 together on the chain 1 space of round 2, and then I work a chain 1. Initially, after that chain 3, we don't work a chain 1. We just work our double crochet 3 together followed by a chain 1, and then on each chain 1 space of the previous row we are going to work double crochet 3 together followed by a chain 1. And once you have worked your last double crochet 3 together, do not work a chain 1. Instead, work a double crochet on top of the chain 3 worked of the previous row. Now you have a chain 1 space in between the chain 3 and the double crochet of the previous row, so you should not forget to work a double crochet 3 together in that space, because round 2 we have started off with chain 3 plus 1. And then once you have worked your last double crochet 3 together, do not work a chain 1, instead work a double crochet on top of the chain 3 of previous row. And that's the end of round 3. For round 4 we are going to work chain 4 and then turn your work. Then I'm going to work one single crochet on the chain 1 space of the previous row. And then once again I'm going to work chain 4, work a single crochet on top of the chain 1 space of the previous row. So we're going to work a chain 4 and then work a single crochet on top of the chain 1 space of the previous row. So continue repeating this till the end. So after we work the last single crochet on the chain 1 space, on the last chain 1 space, you can work a slip stitch, fasten off and weave your ends. Now I have weaved the ends. You can see that this is not stiff enough to attach our fish hooks or earring hooks. So we need to block this. I have blocking instruction in one of my earring tutorial video. I have attached the tutorial video in the description. You can check it out how to block it. I usually block it with one part of glue and one part of water. Soak it and air dry it for about a day. You can see how stiff it is now. Now I'm going to attach my fish hooks or earring hooks to these earrings. It's a very simple and easy pattern. This fan design is very cute and you can make them in any color you want to match with your outfit, and it's a very perfect gift idea as well. I hope you enjoyed the pattern. So try this earring at home, and you can also tag me with your work on Instagram. My Instagram handle links are available in the description. If you like, just give a follow, and you can tag me in your post when you make these earrings. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you want a free written pattern of this beautiful earrings, it's available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. You can find many other interesting patterns in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. I hope you enjoyed the pattern. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.